Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more nice mocktail. Mocktail name is Litchi Blossom. How to make Litchi Blossom mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. You have to pour, have to 10 ml of lime juice. Then you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of coconut syrup. After that, you have to pour 30 ml of lychee crush. This is very simple mocktail I can try. Then you have to put only 60 ml of apple juice. Then you have to pour lots of ice cube. Okay, after adding all the ingredients, you have to take all the ingredients. Then take a pencil glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy glass. Okay, after that what you will do, take another glass. Then you have to add some strawberry crush. Sorry, strawberry syrup you have to pour, and you have to pour limca. Okay, and slowly you have to pour the mixture on top of the glass. See how the fancy color came, very fancy mocktail. Okay, just clean the area. See, very fancy mocktail. Simply then you have to garnish the serve with straw, and you can garnish the mocktail with lime slices and garnish umbrella. Okay, and you have to garnish it. See, your lychee blossom mocktail is ready. This is very fancy mocktail. You can try the two layer based mocktail with the combination of apple juice, strawberry syrup, coconut syrup, lemon juice, limca, and lychee crush. You can try this mocktail. You can see the very fancy mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail also. Please try. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.